Let's begin lying back. Let the soles of the feet come together and open your knees wide. Close your eyes and start to deepen your breath. Begin to arrive. Draw each inhale deep into the belly, and then surrender a little more into the support of your mat with each exhale. Extend the left leg long and hug your right knee into your chest. Begin to slowly circle the right ankle in one direction. Now the opposite direction. Come to a gentle stop. Keep the knee pulled up and place the hands behind your hamstring. Take a breath in. Exhale, lead with the heel, extend the leg. Inhale, bend the knee in even closer this time. Breath out, straighten. On your own, keep bending and straightening the leg. Release. Pull your knees up close to your chest. Bring hands to knees. Take the knees away from one another and then bring them back together, making some big circles with the legs. And now make some circles in the opposite direction. Come to stillness. Ankle rolls, second side. Keep the left knee up towards your chest. Hug it in and extend the right leg long. Circle the left ankle in one direction. Now the opposite direction. Come to a gentle stop. Keep the knee pulled up and place the hands behind your hamstring. Inhale here. Exhale, reach the heel to the sky. Inhale, pull knee into chest. Breath out, extend the leg. On your own, keep bending and straightening the leg. Bring the arms by the ears. Inhale, reach fingers and toes long. Then take hold of the left forearm with the right hand. Exhale, move the arms and legs to the right. Make a C shape with the body. Breathe space into the left side of the body. Switch sides. Hold the right forearm and make a C shape to the left. Feel the right side of the body grow longer here. Morning stretch, arms by the ears. Extend long from fingertips to toes. Draw your knees tightly up into your chest. Now grab behind your hamstrings and rock up to a comfortable seated position. Bound angle pose. Bring the soles of the feet together, feet pulled in close to the body, knees open wide. Now, hook peace fingers around big toes and breathe in. Hollow out the belly, round the spine. Exhale, fold. Send breath into the lower back as you breathe here. Keep carving out the belly. Draw the deepest abdominal muscles in. Inhale, rise back up. Spinal twist. Lay your left shin down, heel close to your glute, and step your right foot to the outside of the left thigh. Hug the knee in with your left arm. Inhale, plant the right hand behind you. Breathe out, twist right. Hook left elbow outside the right thigh. Let each inhale invite space into your spine, and let each exhale deepen the twist. Release the twist. Half shoelace. Keep the right leg crossed over and straighten the left leg out long in front of you. Move your right heel back towards your glute so that the knees stack. Take a deep breath in here. Fold as you exhale. Relax the head and the neck. Start to rise. Leave your left leg out long and pull your right foot into your left thigh for Janushirshasana. Let your right knee rest out to the right. Inhale, lengthen your low back. Reach your crown tall. With a long spine, exhale, fold over the leg. Bend your left knee if you need to keep the lower back long. As you breathe, you can continue to pull yourself deeper into the stretch, or you can relax your torso down over your leg and let gravity do the work. Come back up. Switch to the other side. Spinal twist. Lay your right shin down, heel close to your glute. Step your left foot to the outside of the right thigh. Hug the knee with the right arm. Breathe in and root the left hand down. Breath out, twist left, hook right tricep outside the left thigh. Let each inhale create space and length, and let each exhale deepen your twist. Gently unwind. Keep the left leg crossed over and straighten the right leg out long in front of you for half shoelace. Draw the left heel close to your glute and stack the knees. Take a deep breath in and fold. Exhale. Stay here and breathe. Allow gravity to bring you closer to the legs. Inhale, rise back up. Janushirshasana, second side. Right leg stays long, left foot draws into the inner right thigh, left knee falls to the left. Inhale, keep your lower back long. Then fold over the leg as you exhale. Take a few breaths here as you slowly open up your right hamstring. After the body starts to settle into this stretch, maybe walk the hands out a bit more and go deeper. Rise back up. Sweep the right leg out to the side and then lengthen your left leg out wide. Take a breath in. Then, leading with your chest, hinge from the hips and start to tilt forward. If your hamstrings are tight, try adding some height under the hips with a pillow or a blanket. Wherever you naturally stop, stay there for a moment. Inhale, rise back up. Begin to make your way down onto your back again. Slowly pull your knees up into your chest. Cross your right ankle over your left knee for a figure 4 stretch. Flex the right foot, grab behind your left hamstring and gently pull it in. Let the hips sink heavy into the mat and let the shoulders be soft. Continue to keep the right foot flexed here as you stretch. Other side now. Left ankle over right knee, left foot flexed. Then pull the legs in towards your chest. Draw the right leg in closer and feel a stretch in the outer left hip. Keep enjoying this stretch. Send breath into the left hip. Uncross the legs and hug the knees in. Before we end, if there's any other pose you'd like to do, like a twist or a happy baby, take some time for that now. And then whenever you're ready, move into Shavasana. Lay the legs long. Let the arms come down by the hips. Turn the palms up and settle in. Stay here as long as you like. Thank you for sharing your practice with us.